Yeah, today I'm going to give you a quick hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 800, which is the larger version of the 5.3-inch Note that you have seen for a long time. This tablet device is quite slim, 8.9 mm to be precise, around 600 grams in weight. Is powered by a quad-core 1.4 GHz processor, 2 GB RAM. This is kind of specifications you would see mostly in netbooks and other devices, high-end devices. But this device, being so portable and light, gives tremendous specs to boast of. It runs Android 4.0.4 Ice Cream Sandwich. The Jelly Bean is not launched as stock. Probably they will roll out it later. So what is special about this device is that this comes with a stylus. As soon as you take out the stylus, the special menus comes out. Samsung has designed a special application called S Note with some special features, which includes the recognition of your handwriting, recognition of the formulas and shapes, etc., which is one of the most unique features. I'll just need to long press, select the shape select feature, make any shape, and it will perfect it. So this is the beauty. You can also type in something and it will be recognized. So here it is. So what it does is, whatever you type, whatever you write, it recognizes, it writes for you. You can use the multi-screen feature here. What it actually does is it divides the screen into multiple sections, wherein you can use the screen of the device in 2 or 3 places in segments. You can run a video on the front, as well as do some search on the background, etc. So it's pretty interesting. There is one small button on the pen or the stylus which they have given here. So this button adds to the functionality of this device. You just press the button, swipe it, and the application gets closed. So for different kind of gestures, there is different use of this button. I just took a screenshot of the device by long pressing this button and touching the screen. Also, you might be thinking that when I'm using a stylus, then my palm impression would make up the trouble. But as soon as the pen touches the screen, it starts ignoring the touch of your skin. So in that way, it is using only one input, so there is no confusion. There is inbuilt multitasking in the Android 4.0, which you can see here. There are lots of apps running. By using multi-screen feature, it is taken to a next level. So all in all, pretty impressive with the form factor, with the device that they have. Let me quickly walk you around the hardwares and the build quality of this device. This is made up of polycarbonate material, which is quite light as well as durable, which is helpful in making it the weight which it boasts of quite slim, well packaged. Let me show you the ports it has. On the top here you have the power or wake up key, volume rocker. There is a slot for micro SD. It has 16 GB internal memory. You can increase it to 32 by 32 GB by adding a 32 GB micro SD card here. This is the infrared output, so you can use this device as a universal remote. This is the 3.5 mm audio jack. This is the SIM card slot. So this tablet not only is used for computing devices, you can also make calls from it using the speakerphone or using the Bluetooth device, which you can pair with it. So very, very useful, very potent device in its category. And we have seen tablets which are thicker. So this is one of the closest competition to the most popular Apple tablet, iPad. This is priced at around 40,000 rupees in India, which is again slightly elite price point, but considering the features that it delivers, it is kind of justified. So this is pretty much it on the quick hands-on review. We'll give you a more detailed review when we get the review in it for a longer time. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.